If you're looking to grow your business in Wisconsin, getting the right insurance is the key to unlock bigger opportunities and stay compliant with state regulations. Whether you're handling residential projects or tackling large commercial jobs, having a dwelling contractor qualifier license is crucial for building trust and ensuring legal protection. I'm Roselle with Contractors Liability, and today I'll guide you through the steps to get licensed in Wisconsin. So stick around. These tips could be the game changer your business needs. In Wisconsin, if you're handling any projects over $1,000, you'll need a dwelling contractor's qualifier license. This isn't just a recommendation, it's essential for staying compliant with state regulations and protecting your business from legal issues. Plus, having a license builds trust with your clients, showing them that you meet Wisconsin's safety and quality standards. It's also a requirement for getting insurance and pulling permits for your jobs. So how do you get a license? First, you'll need to complete a 12-hour educational course that covers essential topics like building codes, safety regulations, and construction practices. After completing the course, you'll take an exam to test your knowledge. Next, you'll need to show proof of liability insurance with at least $250,000 in coverage. This insurance protects you from claims related to property damage or injuries to third parties on the job. If you have employees, you will also be required to have workers' compensation insurance to cover any job-related illnesses or injuries to workers. Many contractors also choose to get bonds, such as performance bonds or even payment bonds, which help guarantee that you will meet your contractual obligation and pay suppliers or subcontractors on time. Now, here is an example of an insurance certificate you will need to provide. This document proves you have the required liability coverage, protecting both you and your clients from potential risks. Any projects valued over $1,000 requires a dwelling contractor's qualifier license. This includes a variety of work, such as residential remodeling for major renovations like kitchen, bathroom, or room additions. Roofing and exterior work, such as replacing roofs, installing siding, or painting. Structural changes, such as adding walls or building structures like decks or gazebos. And commercial projects, large-scale renovations, or tenant improvements. So if you're working on these type of projects, make sure you're licensed to avoid legal issues and ensure your business is fully protected. Now, there are some exceptions to the licensing rules. Homeowners working on their own property for small DIY projects like painting or minor repairs don't need a dwelling contractor's qualifier license. However, for major work involving electrical, plumbing, or structural changes, you'll need a licensed professional. Now remember, your license needs to be renewed every 2 years. The Wisconsin Department of Safety and Professional Services will send you a renewal notice, but it's your responsibility to complete the process in time. Renewals can be done online through the DSPS portal, and some continual education may be required. So that's your guide to getting licensed in Wisconsin. Make sure to meet all the requirements from education and insurance to bonding so you can work legally and grow your business. For more details on insurance requirements and the full licensing process, be sure to read the blog. You'll find the link in the description. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more contractors tips, and leave your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your projects in Wisconsin.